Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you all the steps to take to install and configure the Monet Launcher on your Google TV or Android TV. And all I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. To start, from the home screen, pan over to the Apps tab. Go to the search box, search for Monet Launcher. Click on it and click Install. But when the installation is complete, don't launch it, because before launching any third-party apps, I like to connect to a VPN first. Third-party apps like the Monet Launcher could see personal data that you don't want them to be seeing. I myself use NordVPN to protect my personal data. It's fast, reliable, and cheap. If you want to use it too, I have a discount link that gives you 4 months for free. Go to nordvpn.com/landotech or click the link in my description below. Once you've connected to your VPN, go ahead and open the Monet Launcher. Click Let's Go. Click Later, then Later again, then Later once again, and later one last time. Click to the home screen. To give your screen that clean, uncluttered look, you can hide all unnecessary apps by long pressing on an app, then scrolling down and selecting Hide. Once you've hidden all unnecessary apps, you can add your favorite apps. To do that, click on the plus sign, select all your favorite apps, then click Done. If you like, you can also set a background for yourself. To do that, go to Settings at the top right. Go to Background. Pick a background from the gallery. Scroll up and select the blur effect. Choose your blur intensity. Then click OK. Go back. You can also pick whether you want a dark or a light theme. You can do that by going to Theme, then choosing between light or dark. And once you're done that, here are some settings that I like turning on for my Monet Launcher. Follow along if you want to do the same. Go to Row Settings, click Show in Order, scroll down, then turn off Continue Watching. Turn on Widget. Go back. Go to Widget. Turn off Show Widget Background. Go back and back again. Go to Animations and Effects. Click App Launch. Choose the animation effect you'd like to see when you open an app. Then turn on the pulsing glow effect. Go back. Scroll down. Click Setup Launcher. Click Default Launcher. Then set Monet as the default launcher. Click Accessibility. Scroll down. Select Monet. Click Enable. Click OK. Press the Home button. Now, because we made Monet the default launcher, when you press the Home button, it won't bring you to the Google TV home screen. It will instead bring you to the Monet Launcher home screen. You've probably noticed that I have the Google Play Store icon here. If you want to know how to get the Google Play Store icon on yours, then watch this video right here to do that.